abstract. Yan. Okay, so let's start. Yan. So first I will create a new project. Yan, this will be our example for abstract. For abstract. Yan. Okay. Alright, so ayan. So let's start with creating another class. Okay, I will call this class animals. Ayan. Okay, I will create another class. I will call this dogs. Ayan, I will create another class. I will call this one poodle. Ayan, okay. So in this case, we have our parent, si animals. Ang child is si dogs. So for inheritance, I will simply add extends, di ba? So ano ang ilagay after extends? The name of the parent class, which is animals. Ayan, wala nang error. Okay, so next is, we're going to change, walang error yan siya as you can see. We're going to change the animals class from public to abstract. Ayan, so abstract classes, which is our topic today. Still, no error. Okay, so let's proceed to adding a method in our abstract class. This method should be of type abstract as well. So you have an abstract class and an abstract method. In this case, if I save this one, there will be an error. Okay, may error na. Alright, so for your quiz this Friday, you're going to solve for the line where error is. Okay, so in this case, error is line 11. Ayan. So why is the error line 11? Because our abstract class requires a method make sound. That's the purpose of abstract, which is similar to interface. Ayan, pareho lang sa interface ha. So let's create a make sound in our dogs class. So in my dogs class, I will create a make sound. Ayan. Okay, wala nang error, di ba? So meaning this is required. Because animals is an abstract class, you added an abstract method. Okay. Next is, let's create an interface. Yan, pagsama-samahin natin. So I will add another class, this is not a class, a file. Okay? Called interface. And I will call this interface pet. Ayan. Okay. And my pet interface will become, okay, an implements of dogs. Implements. Yan, pet. Okay, there you go. So, extends is inheritance. Animals is the parent class and abstract class. So, meaning you're going to require the child class to have make sound method. And then, we added implement pet. Ayan, pet. Pet is an interface. Currently, there is no error. Ayan. So, in my pet class, what if I added a requirement? Yan na lang tabi. Okay, mamina para di masiro sa quiz. So, as you can see, I added an interface pet with a requirement. So, interface is similar to abstract because you can add a requirement make sound sa dog. The dog and the dog and pet. Okay, pet is an implement also sa dogs. So meaning you are requiring the dogs class to have a method. Ayan. So the error here is again line 11. So for your quiz sa Friday, ayan, pag ganyan, walang error. If I walang error sa any line number. But if I added this, and then dogs is an implement of pets, there will be an error sa line number 11. Okay? Yes.
Sa quiz po sir, specific maglanay po sir.
You have to input only the line number. So there are lots of line numbers. Ito, line 1, line 2. So in this case, where the error is 11. So you have to input 11. Okay, because that is where the error is. Yan. So, what's the class name? Yan. So, yan yun. Okay, so how do we remove the error? Our pet requires you to have a play method. So, we need to have a play method sa dog. Okay, let me add a play method here. Ayan. So, wala ng error. Okay. So, in this case, ayan, we have a name, which is, where is the name coming from? Ito naman ang error natin. Ayan. So, the error now is line 15, 16. So, name is a variable that should be present in the dogs class. So, pwede tayo maglagay ng name dito. Okay. There you go, wala nang error. Or, you can place this variable sa animals. Ayan, may error pa yan siya. So, let us place a variable here as well. Okay, there you go. So, meaning, this name can be a class variable sa child or a class variable sa parent. It's either kung wherever is available. Ayan. Okay, what about this one? But if you type this, okay, pag nilagyan mo yan siya ng this, ayan, okay, it's also the same thing. This is, ayan, make sound, play, okay, these are all method. And the name here is the class variable of the parent. So either way, adding this, okay, that's the same thing. Ayan. So, next error naman is this one. So, owner is what? This is, ano ito siya? Is this a variable or is this a class? Since you have a method gani, pag merong open and close parenthesis, di ba? Method yan. Ayan. So, meaning, this is a class which is assigned to a variable because we do not have owner. Okay, wala pa tayong owner. So meaning, let us do just that. Okay, our owner can be a class, okay, or a record. Ayan, which is what we discussed last meeting. So I will now create a record. So pareho lang. If this is a class, pag i-class mo yung owner, it will look like this. Okay, example. Capital siya for now. Ayan, owner. So you have an owner class. Okay. And then, you're going to assign it to a variable. For example, ayan, small caps. Ayan. Okay, wala nang error, di ba? So meaning you have an owner class. But the problem is, this is now the next error. Method. Di ba? Method yan. So you need to create a method. Public void name. Okay? Oops, teka, dumami yung error natin. Okay, so it will return void. So meaning, this should be a string. Ayan. Okay, capital S. Okay, so we need to add a return. Ayan. Okay, there you go. And there you go. Wala ng error. Okay, so this is a variable of type owner. Owner is a class. Okay, so meaning, everything that you do here, for example, naglagay ako ng variable dyan, this variable can be used every time you call owner. Ayan, okay? So, pag nilagay mo si owner, you can call A, name. These are methods. Di ba? Ang A is a class variable, name is a method. Ayan. So, that's how that works. Now, let us delete this. I will delete the owner. Okay? And change this to a record. Okay? That is our topic last meeting. So, this will now be owner. Ayan. Okay. So, as you can see, wala ng error. Ito na lang ang may error. Okay. Next naman, let us add constructors. Okay. In our owner now, this is a constructor. There you go. So, there you go. Wala na rin siyang error. Okay. So, meaning, this is a method if you do not create a record. But if you create a record, this is a variable. Variable yan siya. Okay. So, age is also will show up here as a method. Diba? So, meaning if I select age, it will show as a method. And it will show additional methods as well. To string, equals, hash code. Okay? These are the methods that is not defined here. But it is there because this is a record. Okay? So, ganyan yun siya. Alright. So, let's continue sa dogs. So, sa dogs, we have a child, we have a parent. Ayan, save. Okay? Walang error so far. Let's proceed to adding, ano naman? In our main. Okay. In our main, we can choose to instantiate dogs. Yan. So, we can do this. Yan. This is our dog. Okay. So, let's instantiate it with like this. Yan. So, this is our parent. This is our child. Okay. With an S. Ayan. Okay, so in this case, this is called, ano? Polymorphism. Instantiation, instantiating the class to a variable. Polymorphism because we are calling the constructor dogs and instantiating the parent. Okay, polymorphism. So, in this case, we are calling the dogs constructor. So, we have this. Ito daw yung i-call natin. Ayan. Okay, this is what we are calling dogs. Di ba? Ayan, dogs. Okay, no error so far. But, we can choose to add or not add this. Pwede na yan siya wala. So, that is optional. Okay, di ba? Still no error. Ayan. Okay. We can also choose to add multiple constructors or parameters in our constructor, as you can see here. So, we have this one. Okay. So, ayan. Okay. There you go. So, we have two parameters. So, this will show an error. Why? Because dogs will now require two variables here in our parameters. So you need to have a name and owner. Okay? Ayan. So what are we going to type here? The name of the dog. Ayan. Okay, so name for the dog is, gagawin natin is Snowy. Ayan. And then the owner. Okay, the problem now is owner is this one. This is a different variable. This variable is class variable. This one is a constructor. As you can see, it's not the same color, di ba? Magkaiba sila ng color. So this variable and this one are two different, even if they have the same spelling and capitalization. This is of type owner, same as this one. So when you assign a value to the constructor, it must be of type owner. Meaning, you just cannot type anything here. So this cannot be a string, error pa rin. This cannot be a number, error pa rin. Okay, error pa rin yan. This must be of type owner. Type is the data it will hold. Okay, di ba? So how do we create a type owner? We instantiate the owner record. Records can be instantiated. Ayan. Okay. Abstract classes can be instantiated. Okay. Interface cannot. You cannot instantiate pet. Okay. So, let's instantiate owner. So, we have here the owner instantiation. So, owner is our record owner. The name and age are the values 130. So, this is the constructor. This is the constructor. You do not have to do this. This is the constructor for dogs. Animals does not have a constructor yet. Ayan. Okay, and this is the constructor for our record. We're doing the same thing. So, the owner is assigned to the dogs constructor because owner is type owner. Diba? So, in this case, dogs here, ayan, wala ng error. Diba? Wala na itong error. Okay? Ganyan. So, one more problem. Ito siya. Okay. How do we resolve this error? Kung saan pagtanggal anak? Okay, why is there an error? Super name in the dogs class. Saan yan siya? Ano daw ang kulang? What is the missing code? Ha? Para saan ba ito? Okay, wala. So this one is calling the parent's constructor, di ba? Dogs is a child, animal is parent. So we're going to call the parent. This one does not have a constructor, di ba? It's looking for one because you add super. Okay, ganun yan. So in this case, let us add a constructor for our abstract class. Ayan. Okay, lagyan ko lang ng S. There you go. So, wala na. Okay, ganon. So, in this case, ayan. So, we now have our constructor. And let us just assign a name. Okay, ito na yung name natin. Lagay ko lang dyan sa taas para klaro. Okay, yan. That's the name. So, we're assigning a value to the class variable. What value is that? The name assigned in the dog class. So if I instantiate this one, Snowy is assigned in the name, okay? And owner is 130 because owner is of type record which contains name and age. So this is Juan. This, okay, Snowy pala. Snowy, this is Snowy. Ito siya. And owner is 130. So, we're going to assign Snowy to the name here. That's what this is for. And then, we're going to assign values to our owner. Ito. Okay. The name and age. 130. So, this is 130. And this is Snowy. Okay? Ganyan. So, that's how that works. So, we can also choose to add methods in an abstract class. Pwede rin tayo mag-add ng method. Okay? In our dog class, ayan. So, okay. So, that's how we assign it. We can also assign method here if we want. Okay? And then, in our poodle, let us this is a child class. Okay, let us assign it a parent. Okay, so this is dogs. Yan, mali spelling, dog. Okay, so in this case, it's not required. Since poodle is a child of dogs, dogs is the only one that is required to have play. Okay? Ayan. So, the error here, this one, yung error daw dyan, as you can see, there is an error sa poodle. Okay, error parsing file. Yan, so that's the error there. Yan. So, the only thing missing here, poodle, is the constructor. Okay, because we need to call the parent. Ayan. Okay? So, wala ng error. So, you are required to add a constructor because if you're going to assign this to a parent, you need to call super. You need to assign values to it. And then, we can also add methods to it. Ayan. Okay? May methods yan siya dapat. Alright. So, let us perform instantiation. Okay? So we can instantiate the owner, which is an interface. We can instantiate the animals class, but we cannot instantiate animals to itself. Okay, so let's assign a name because this requires a name. Okay, di ba? So as you can see, abstract classes, even if it has a constructor, you cannot call that constructor directly. Di ba? So this is a string. Di ba? Tama. So we cannot assign it to a name. You can only use the abstract class. What's the error about? Animals is abstract. It cannot be instantiated. So meaning, we can do this instantiation, but you can only call the child class for instantiation. You cannot call the parents class for instantiation if this is an abstract class. Okay? Ayan. So remember that. Ayan. So if this is a question in your quiz or exam, the error is line 16. Why? Because you instantiated a abstract class. Abstract class does not call this constructor even if it has assigned constructor. Okay, so we can call the polymorphism. We can also call the poodle. So poodle is a child of dogs. Dogs is a child of animals. We can call poodle and assign the following values. So, this is supposed to be a different variable. Okay, there you go. Ayan. So, you have two object variable instantiating, okay, animals and calling their constructor. Okay, ayan. Alright, so, okay, what else? So, we can also instantiate poodle. Ayan, there you go. So, we are assigning a name, okay, that's the name, and the owner. Okay, owner is of type owner. So we're assigning a name and owner. So these two values are given to dogs. Okay, dito papunta yan. Because we are calling the constructor of dogs for this. So, ang dogs, i-assign niya ang name sa animals. So, animals will receive the name, okay, and assign it to this variable. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. So, what can we call sa my poodle? Ayan. What values can we call sa my poodle? We can call the following. Ayan. So, name and owner, this name is the animal. Animals ito. Walang name sa dog. Di ba? Walang name dito. Walang name sa poodle. Okay? So, this is a class variable from the animals. Ito naman, the owner, is a class variable sa dog. Okay? Itong Dutrix is a class variable sa poodle. Okay, ayan. Alright, and then make sound is a class variable sa dog. Even if animal has, okay, poodle may make sound. Okay, so ibig sabihin, this is a make sound for poodle. This one. This is a make sound for poodle because my poodle is an instantiation of poodle. So we are going to call this method. Okay. For dogs, you can call this method if you instantiate this one. Okay, so this one, my dog 2 is, ayan. So this is calling this method. Ayan. And this is calling the poodle my make sound. Okay? Magkaiba yan sila. They are two different make sound. Okay? For each one. Ayan. Okay? So what about my dog 2? What methods and variables can we call? Name. Okay? You cannot call the owner. Okay, you cannot call the owner. Why can't you call the owner? Because that is an abstract class. You assigning my dog to an abstract class. So there is no my owner. Ang merong my owner is si my poodle. Diba? May owner si poodle. Okay. Si my dog is coming from an abstract class. So there is no owner. Ayan. Okay? Ayan. So try to remember that. And then we have, what else? Display info is sa, okay, sa animals. Ayan. So this is coming from animals. Okay, ayan. We have display info sa poodle as well. Ayan, display info. Okay, we can call display info, no problem. Ayan, because poodle is a child of dog, dog is a child of animals. Ayan, okay? Yes. Questions? So, ayan, that will be our fourth, okay, midterm topic. So, next meeting, Wednesday, I will discuss again. And then Friday, this week will be quiz 2. So, you only have to input the line number. Okay, dagan man nag line number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the error number. Ayan, asa daw dapit ang error number. Okay, ganyan. Okay, so make sure you are familiar with this and you're taking down notes because I will not give you a copy. Dapat naga-take down notes and naminaw. Okay, pag wala may naminaw, wala may copy ani. Okay, so questions? Yes.
So for the quiz po sir, abstract, classes, interface,
Records.
Records po sir.
Oh, yes. Yan lang. Okay, so no other concerns? Questions? So I will, yes. Review. Okay, review. Gamay lang.